After adding audio source in Unity, let's go and add some animations for that audio. When the image target is scanned, the audio will start playing, and for that audio, our character have to play some steps, right? So that is the task now. So that to add some animations, I can get back to the Google Chrome. In that, I can go to the character Mixamo. Again, go to the Mixamo. In that, you can find animations. So select animations. In the animations, you search for dance. Just enable dance. It will show the animation dance steps. So in this, we can download some our required dance steps. So I'll go with some poses. So to download some poses, so this pose is good, and I'm going to download some poses for now. FBX for Unity. In skin, you can select without skin, and keyframe reduction should be laid like that, and click on download. Before downloading, in the format download for FBX for Unity, so it will download in the format of Unity supported format. So you can download I downloaded one pose, and now I'm going to download some steps again. I'm going to download this as well. Before downloading, check whether the animation is perfectly working or not. See here, the hands are going inside of the legs, right? So we have to increase the arm space. So increase the arm space like this, and let's check whether it was how it was looking good. See some more, yeah, like this. I think it's more than that. Let's check again. Yeah, I think it was good. So we can download it. But our song does not contain and does not require this step. So I'm going to leave this. So I'm going to check some more steps now. See here one of the posts here. So I'm going to download this. I'm going to download this. Yeah, this was good. I'm going to download this in the same format without skin. I'm going to download. Again, I think this will be useful for my audio. I'm going to download this as well. Before downloading, check whether the animation is perfectly good or not. I think it was good, so I'm going to download this. It was downloading, and I'm going to download this step as well. Let's see this. But we have to increase the arm space, right? So just open this like this. This was good, I think. We can add this, but see more steps. Yeah, let's download this. And this as well. I'm going to increase the arm space here. Still it was in, I'm going to increase the more bit like this. Yeah, this was good. Now I'm going to download this as well. I will download some steps and I'm going to import these steps into my Unity editor. Before going to import these steps into the Unity editor, first you have to create a folder first. To create a folder, right click on the project window, go to create and select folder. I'm going to name it as animations, because if we add animation in the project window, it will be not good. So I'm going to create an folder. I'm going to add these animations into this folder only. So for to add these animations, these are the animations that we downloaded. So from here to here, I'm going to drag these steps into this Unity editor like this. See here, these are the animations that I downloaded. So in the next video, we will create animator controller and how to set up the animations to the animator.
I hope you have enjoyed watching it. If you have liked our content, please do hit like button and do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more useful content and exciting updates. If you want to learn such practical content at an affordable cost with Microsoft certification and instructor support, please register at academy.codenan.com. You can also download app from Play Store as Codenan. Never hesitate to raise queries in the comment section, and please do reply with your suggestions for more practical videos. We'll be happy to come up with it. Thank you.